Davivy Electric Glass Kettle has auto shut off and boil dry protection. No worry about the kettle boiling dry. Besides, UL certification approved with advanced safety technology for long-standing use. Davivy Electric Glass Kettle lid has a large opening and is detachable, and the stainless steel tea infuser is detachable, which can boil tea or herbs with water. After each use, the infuser can be removed for cleaning with a simple twist. Davivy Electric Glass Kettle can precisely control the temperature to within 1 degrees. When the temperature is lowered by 3 degrees, the keep warm process begins and lasts up to 60 minutes. The 1500 watts Davivy Electric Kettle can quickly boil 1.7 liters of water in 5 to 7 minutes. The preset temperature settings are delicate tea 160 Fahrenheit, green tea 175 Fahrenheit, herbal tea 195 Fahrenheit, black tea and boiling water to 112 Fahrenheit.